What's up, guys? Welcome back to Columbia Auto Service. Today we have a 2006 Suzuki Forenza. Looks like a little gas saver with a 2.0 liter engine in it with 159,846 miles on it. Got a little faded paint damage to it. But I bet it's a good little gas mileage car. But anyway, the customer came in and told me whenever she was applying the gas, she hears a noise in the driver front wheel area. I've already got in the car and drove it right here around the parking lot and heard the noise, but I figured we'd do a little video on this if we could. I've been swamped here at the shop lately, not able to do nothing but run. But anyway, if it stays slow around here like it is the rest of the afternoon, I'm gonna try to video this little process here on this car. Let's see if we can hear this noise. All right, I better get in the shop and see what's going on before I break something. Shake like it had just started. That's been doing that a while. I mean, it hadn't, whatever it is, it hadn't just started. But it does it more when I'm turning, so I'm assuming it's probably gonna be the axle that's done come apart on her. I got black all over my face. Or is that just the way the camera is? Anyway, let me get in the shop and we'll, I don't have a lift open right now, so I'm gonna be working on the ground. Let me get this phone. Columbia Auto Service, this is Brian. Oh, look at that. Oh, the wheel's about to fall off. That'll make a noise. That's what we used to work in. That's probably what it was. That made a world of difference. I think after you still haven't got that right to work. Dude, this thing's gone. Yeah, that's about how it used to be. Now the thing was one light shining over here. Huh? You see it now. Oh, she got a bad hub. Oh, it didn't just get bad. It don't just get that bad overnight. It's got to fall off. This is the kind of people we ride up and down the highway right next to us. Or they just ride it until they get the income tax money and then they go get it fixed. Oh, that ought to be illegal. I'm sure it is illegal in some states. That's about to fall off. It's about to fall off. Hey guys, it's actually a couple of days after I found the noise on that little Suzuki, that wheel bearing. It was bad. I ended up letting one of my guys change it out. I think he changed that wheel bearing out yesterday. But I just thought I'd do a little video of it. It's just funny to me that people come in and they say, "Oh, my car's making a noise." They like it just started. There ain't no way that just started. That bearing, when he took that bearing apart, he pulled it out. That whole bearing just come apart. It'd been doing that a while. So she had actually had a noise going on for a while now. But anyway, we're going to end this video right here, but I'm going to add a little bit after this. There was also the same day, there was somebody else came in a Nissan Altima that told me they had a noise in the right front. And when I was driving, it sounded like it was a noise in the right front, but it was actually the right rear brake pad was metal on metal rubbing on the brake caliper. But anyway, we appreciate you from Columbia Auto Service. Have a blessed day. See if you can... That's definitely something in the brake. We'll get it in the shop and see if we can see what's going on with this one.